Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this topic, in this video, I want to share about the English pronunciation, how to pronounce the word front of others. So let's start our topic. Let's begin English pronunciation. English pronunciation, how to pronounce. Here now the word is here data. The word data is there. What is the meaning of data? Information. Data mean information. The information means the data. Now one is data. One is data. This is the word. This is the first pronunciation. This is incorrect. This is wrong. Data is wrong. Now day. Everyone know din. Just say data. What is data? Data. 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 For example, here data. Now data. How many differences are there? This when people are pronouncing data. Here just tell data. So this is the correct pronunciation of data. And the next is thumb. What is thumb? Here the first pronunciation is thumb. B is pronouncing here thumb. Do not pronounce the B because just thumb. Thumb mean anguta, the hand of the big finger of hand. Thumb. One is thumb. One is thumb. Just thumb. Don't pronounce B. B's are silent here. Thumb. So this is the second word of pronunciation. Now the third is dat. The third is dat. Some people are pronouncing debt. Some people are pronouncing debt. But the B is silent here. The B is silent here. Don't pronounce B. Dat. Just dat. Dat mean karza. That mean karza. What is karza? Take money from someone, and some people are giving, some people are not giving. So this is the karza. Dat. Karza. The next is vegetable. Here vegetable. Some people are pronouncing like this vegetable. But it is wrong. Vegetable, it is wrong. Vegetable. This is the right pronunciation. Vegetable means sabzi. Vegetable. Don't pronounce vegetable. Vegetable means sabzi. And the next word is chaos. The next is chaos. Now some people are hose. Some people are pronouncing hose. Now what is hose? People don't know. People are thinking the C is silent. People are thinking like that. The C is silent. Hose. Some people said. Then chaos. Some people are pronouncing K. Chaos. Some people are pronouncing like this. Chos. Another all lot of people are pronouncing like another kind of. And now what is the meaning of chaos? Free. Now this is the correct pronunciation. Chaos. This is the correct pronunciation. Chaos means free. Now the sixth one is woman. Some people are pronouncing woman. Don't. It's wrong. Women. A lot of people are listening. Another country people's. They are pronouncing women. They are very fast in speaking. They are pronouncing women. Now we are pronouncing woman. It is wrong. Woman, it is wrong. Women, it is right. Women. Now the seventh is you. Seventh is resume. Now resume, it is wrong. Now this is the correct pronunciation. Resume, resume, resume. Bring here, bring h here. Resume, resume. Now resume, resume. How many differences are there in these two pronunciations? So these are the basic pronunciation. If you want to improve more pronunciation, more things, more things about study, so kindly like and subscribe my channel. So if people have any question regarding this video regarding English pronunciation, kindly tell me in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos.